Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to download Facebook videos. A lot of people don't know how to do this. It seems like most people keep downloading from YouTube, but it is easy to download your favorite Facebook video. And, Facebook does have a lot of videos, so I'm going to this random site. Basically any video you can think of, we can download it. If it's there, you like it, you want to download it, right click, go to copy link address, and get that. And then I want you to go to downvids.net. Alright, let me get this one out of here. Let me just go ahead and reload this. I already did this earlier. Alright, so you got your copy link. Now I just want you to go ahead and paste the link in there. And click this download button. Don't click any of these right here. Wait for it to load. It's going to take a second. It won't be too long. Alright, so there's the video and the link. Now go down here to download this video. Right click. Save link as. Name it whatever you want. Let's say adorable baby. And save. And there you go. Now it's done, and it'll play. I hope that helps you guys out, and I hope you're able to do anything you want to. And if you have any problems, please comment, let me know about it, or message me if it's more private. Please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for your time.